Thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. If you remember back a little while, I made a video about straightening up my remote radio setup. And there were probably a couple of y'all who thought I would never get that cabinet complete. Well, it's not complete, but let's take a look. What I did was I used a Craig jig to make pocket holes, and I made this framework. I actually went on over to Lowe's, got some video here. I had them cut the rough dimensions, and then I cut it down a little bit further. Be some video about that. But I used pocket screws in the corners to create a frame. 4.5 inches by 25.5 and 13.75 from top to bottom. Once I did that, I went back and I cut holes in the back all the way for anywhere where the wires had to enter the box. It is now officially a box. I will figure out how I'm going to make a frame to attach doors to. Heck, I might even go on over to a Hobby Lobby and where they make picture frames and have them make the frame for me. It'll be a simple frame, and then I'll put doors on it and I'll have a cabinet. So we got her done. I know Team Bill, those of you were rooting for me. You knew I'd get it done, and you probably knew exactly how I was going to have to do it. For those of you who didn't think it was going to get done, you can join Team Bill by heading over to my playlist. Maybe it's right there. And after this video, put that playlist on and get me the watch time hours. Also, please stay tuned for some new videos on a new project coming up. Well, I spent the day getting it up there. Let's see if any of it still works. There we go. Thanks for stopping by.